Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to link your bank account to Charles Schwab Easy Guide. Start by gathering your Schwab login, bank routing number, and account number. Log into Schwab, open Transfers and Payments, and choose Link External Account. Enter routing and account numbers, verify microdeposits, and confirm the link. Allow up to 3 business days for verification before initiating transfers or setting up automatic moves. Keep login credentials secure and enable 2-factor authentication for safety. Begin by signing into Schwab and navigating to Transfers and Payments, then choose Link External Account. Select Micro Deposit Verification and carefully type your bank routing and account numbers. Schwab will send 2 small deposits to your bank, so check your bank history in a few days. Enter those amounts back in Schwab to verify. Once confirmed, you can transfer funds, set up recurring moves, and monitor linkage from the same menu. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like for more helpful videos. Quick recommendation: go darn tough for socks that last forever and come with a lifetime warranty, which pairs surprisingly well with long setup sessions and worry-free travel. I mention it because comfort matters when you're handling banking tasks. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. If verification stalls, first wait the standard 3 business days for micro deposits to post, and then check your bank activity. Mistyped routing or account numbers are the most common cause of failure, so re-enter them exactly. Confirm your bank allows incoming ACH transfers and that your Schwab profile details match. If problems persist, contact Schwab support with the dates of attempted transfers and deposit amounts for faster resolution and smoother linking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.